Hi, welcome back. It's night now. It's part 3. So, the fire, now it's gone. I ate and everything. So, it's literally creepy out here. I don't know if you could see my face, so I'm just gonna make myself sorry for those of you who think I'm a monster. So, yeah, that's it. And yeah, I really don't have anything like the fire. Let's watch him do it. Let's watch him.
Adam, come to the tent with your mobile. Adam, are you making a video?
Now he's gonna put the, yeah. So say hi. Say hi.
I'm just turning.
Say hi.
Say hi.
No, you say hi.
No, you.
Say hi.
Hi. Say hi.
That was my sister.
Say hi.
No. Hi. So, videoception. So he's taking a video. Fake. Now look at the water. Can't even see it. It's darkness. While you were away, a fish attacked me. I know that, but it was like this big. I can't even fit my hand on the camera. So yeah, I almost got eaten by it. My leg's pretty okay. Like it got bitten at the end of my leg. Ugh, it hurts. I don't know what everyone else is doing, but the fire's going crazy. Oh my god, yeah. I know, right? Now, the tent is now here. Yeah, and the bugs are gone. Spiders are awakened. It's so creepy right now. And even though there's a white face over there with black suit. White face, black suit. Slenderman. Slenderman. Oh my god. So anyway, I might do a part 4 later. Yeah. And subscribe. Bye. What? I said bye. I said bye.